Expand your writing space fourfold with the EmkoBoard Interactive Display Complete 4 Concept System. The Complete 4 EmkoBoard Interactive Display Concept System is a professional solution that combines an EmkoBoard interactive display with classic whiteboard in a single structure, offering 4 different writing surfaces. Together with the central EmkoBoard, the system includes a total of 4 Emko-certified enamel writing panels, 2 fixed and 2 movable, positioned vertically on both sides. The 2 central movable panels slide horizontally on a rail mechanism, revealing additional space. This creates a multi-layered wide writing surface integrated seamlessly with the EmkoBoard interactive display on the same wall. With over 50 years of Emko expertise, the ceramic steel enamel surface is scratch-resistant, durable, stain-free, easy to clean, and magnetic, allowing you to attach notes, announcements, or visuals with ease. Beneath the surface, a 0.30 mm galvanized sheet and 11 mm honeycomb core provide both lightness and strength, reinforced with aluminum frames for long-lasting use. The sliding mechanism operates smoothly and quietly, while the integrated brake system ensures controlled panel movement and prevents finger injuries. The system provides easy access to the OPS module and connection ports. EmkoBoard Complete 4 is an aesthetic, functional, and reliable solution that combines digital technology with Emko's durable, long-lasting enamel writing surfaces. For more details, please visit Emkotech.com.